back to the channel, guys. Today we've got trailer hooked up. We got the V1000 on the trailer, and we got the STE20 SR 2-ton Mini X on the trailer. We are taking these out to a buddy's house. He's got some land out in the county. We're going to get some video shot with these two machines and some different attachments. But first thing we're going to work on in this video is we're going to take a quick attach from a 8-piece attachment set of the 25mm pins, the kits that fit the smaller 1-ton, 1.5-ton Mini X's, and we're going to fabricate it out at his house and his shop. We're going to fabricate that to fit the 2-ton STE Mini X, so we can run, because I've already got tons of the 25mm attachments, and as of right now there are no attachments available specifically for this machine. So we're going to fabricate a quick connect to fit this machine so we can just use the 25mm attachments. Today's video, we're going to make this coupler fit this machine. Let's get started. All right, so we got the bucket off, we got our pins out, we got this took apart, we got some measurements made. The coupler here is 3.5 inches gap. This machine is 3 3/4, so not a lot of space we got to make up for, but we're going to take now and cut one of these ears off. In a perfect world, you'd probably cut both off, move them both over the same, weld them back on, that way it's all symmetrical, but we're not living in a perfect world, so we're going to take the less work option. And we're just going to cut one off, move it over 1/4 inch, tack weld it back on. All right, so we just got the ears straightened back up and smoothed out all the paint off of it on both sides. Same way with here. And we're going to get ready to do some modifying on our pinholes, and then we'll be ready to put this thing back together. So drilling the holes out, we figured out wasn't going to work. We could have done that, but even if we done that, our 30mm pins would have been extremely too long, and I was worried that would just be catching on stuff. So we decided we're just going to use the 25mm pins that came with the quick attach. Now you say, well, how'd you do that? Because these are 25mm pins, this is 30mm pins. Well, we got on eBay and we found some copper bushings, 25mm inner diameter, 30mm outer diameter, and 40mm length. This is a little over 90 millimeters long. So I got 4 bushings, 2 in here, 2 in here. So we're able to use our 25mm pins. It's good and solid. Now we're fixing to get it welded back together. We got the quick connect finish. Sprayed a little paint on it. It's still kind of hot, so the paint's not sticking. So we'll go back and hit that later. But we got the quick connect on. Fits good, fits snug. Welds aren't perfect, but they'll work for us. But yeah, guys, that's how we adapted the 25mm quick connect to fit this machine. And now we're ready to make some videos using some of these attachments. Thanks for watching, guys.